Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a TV remote that has an issue. Maybe your power button's not working, or maybe one button or two buttons, or maybe three buttons are not working, or maybe your remote kind of has a mind of its own where it's like flicking through the menu without you even touching anything. I'm going to show you guys a possible easy fix. This is going to help probably like 60 or 70% of you guys right now, so you don't have to go out and buy another remote, nor do you have to take it apart and clean it with rubbing alcohol or anything like that. Okay, so this is very, very simple to do. So what I need you to do first is go ahead and take out your battery. And this method sounds kind of ridiculous, but I'm telling you, like, I have fixed numerous TV remotes like this. Okay, just like that. Now what I want you to do is go ahead and grab the power button right here, and I want you to press and hold this down for 1 minute. Just press and hold the power button for 1 minute non-stop. Okay, so the batteries are out. I'm holding the power button down. Basically what this is doing is it's an electric discharge. It's getting rid of all the excess battery juice that's left in the remote. Okay, so after 1 minute is done with the power button, let go. Now what I want you to do is go ahead and press every single button on here several times. Okay, and keep on going, because it's possible that some of these buttons may be stuck from coffee or soda, or they're just dust and lint inside where it just basically gets stuck. So just every single button, just go crazy. Keep on pressing every single button. Give it a couple whacks. Press all the buttons again all over. Now, then go ahead and put the batteries back in, but don't put the lid on yet. Go ahead and fire up your TV and make sure all the buttons and whatnot, it's actually working. If it's not, do the same thing, okay? Take the batteries back out, and then you want to do the same thing. Press and hold the power button down for at least 1 minute, nonstop. Just hold it just like that. After 1 minute is up, go ahead and give each button even more pushes, okay? Just keep going crazy. Go ahead and give yourself a little bigger like whack. Put the batteries back in and then test it again. The thing is, if it still doesn't work, give it like up to like 5 tries, okay? Like I said, 60 or 70% of you guys, your remote's going to be fixed after you guys do this like method here. So if it did, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. And like I said, there should be 60 to 70% thumbs up. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.